Hi my angels, and welcome back to my channel. So on Monday, it was my birthday. I'm actually filming this on Sunday, so it's the day before my birthday. But my husband and I, we are off for a lovely dinner in the city tonight, and I thought I would do a bit of a get ready with me, take it a bit more old school. I've just filmed my makeup look and shown you my entire outfit and everything. So if you want to get ready with me for my birthday, then please keep watching. So I've got a little bit of makeup on already, just like a little bit on my cheeks really, and a little bit underneath my eyes, but I'm just gonna do the whole shebang all over again. So we are going for dinner today. So first of all, I'm gonna start off by adding some of this Live Tinted Hue Guard onto my face as my SPF, and I'm gonna get that all over my face before moving on to my base. For my foundation, I'm gonna use a mixture of the By Terry CC Cellular Rose Serum in the shade Sunny Flash, mixed in with the Urban Decay Hydromaniac Foundation. I feel like I've still got a bit of a tan, so I feel like this kind of mixture with the CC serum from By Terry always does the job with getting my base to look really nice and match the rest of my body. So I'm just going to blend that all in with my Dab Beauty Blender and make sure it's all blended in nicely and ready for concealer. I've been wearing really light bases at the moment. I feel like I just don't want really full coverage. So every single time I mix my base in with the By Terry CC Cellular Rose Serum, I just feel like it gives me that really like natural finish. Let me show you. This is what my skin looks like up close and personal. It just makes it look really natural, really glowy, really healthy, with a hint of coverage as well. Now I'm going to move on to concealer, and I'm going to take my NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer in the shade Canal and get onto the usual places that I like to brighten and conceal my face. I tend to use this more than my foundation, but I just feel like it really helps really even everything out and give me coverage in the places that I really want it. Now that my concealer is all on, I'm going to set that in place using my IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores Setting Powder. I have been loving this. I genuinely feel like it's taken over my love for the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Powder. It's so beautiful on the skin. I'm just going to finish off the rest of my base, and I'm going to go in with bronzer. Next, I'm going to use my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Bronzer. I love this. I feel like I always go back to this. It doesn't matter what other bronzers I try, I always go back. So I'm just going to take this onto the usual areas that I like to bronze. So that is on my cheekbones, around my hairline, my jawline, and very slightly around my nose and mouth as well. I'm feeling all nice and bronzed up, and I'm going to move on to blush, and I'm actually going to use this cream blush from Mama Mitchell. This is made by Mitchell, which is his makeup brand, and this is in the shade Peach Sugar. It's so pigmented, you need the tiniest amount, but I'm going to get that onto my cheeks, and whatever's left on my brush, I'm going to run it on the top of my nose as well. I honestly use the tiniest of dots. Don't think the camera's picking it up, but it looks like I've got a really decent amount of blush on my cheeks. But now I'm going to move on to highlighter. I'm going to take C-Pop and get that onto the usual areas of my face. So that's the tops of my cheekbones, and I'm going to brush that into the tops of my brow bone as well, and a little bit on the bridge of my nose. That is my base, pretty much all complete. Now I'm going to move on to my eyes, and I actually have found my favourite eyebrow products, and they're from Too Faced. I love the pomade in a stick kind of like pencil that they've got. It is amazing. It is virtually like smudge proof. Like, it sticks on my brows, on my skin and my brow area so well. It doesn't matter if I rub my eyebrows, it just stays put. It's amazing. But for today, I have the super fine brow detailer, which is just as good, but I'm going to get that onto my brows. I still have the brow product in there, but I'm just going to tidy them up a little bit. So I wasn't going to wear any eyeshadow today, but I realized I wear eyeshadow for special occasions, and I feel like my birthday is definitely a special occasion. So I'm going to do something really easy, something that I do a lot, and that's using a crayon kind of like creamy product for my eyeshadow. So today I'm going to take the Urban Decay eyeshadow stick in the shade Mildew, which is going to match the dress that I'm wearing, and I'm going to get that onto my eyelids and just spread that out and blend it out a little bit, and then add some bronzer in the crease. And I'm going to be using the same exact bronzer that I used on my base. And just as easy as that, my eyeshadow is all done. I love doing this trick of a cream eyeshadow on my eyelid and a bronzer in the crease. It honestly makes you look like you've spent so much time doing your eye makeup, but actually it takes like a couple of minutes max. But now I have already got a little bit of mascara on my lashes. I still have a few more eyelash extensions in there, but I feel like when it gets to this rate, I kind of put mascara on them, and I very gently take it off with water in the shower. So I'm going to take my Bite Beauty Upswing mascara and get that onto my top lashes and also my bottom lashes. Now I'm just going to tightline using the Charlotte Tilbury Rock and Kohl eyeliner in the shade Bedroom Black. Time to finish off with my lips, and first of all I'm going to line them, and I'm going to use the Pillow Talk lip liner from Charlotte Tilbury. I'm going to not only line them, but I think I'm going to also fill them in as well. And now for lipstick, I am going to use my current obsession, which is the Bite Beauty lipsticks. I love these so much. This is in the shade Sesame, which is a beautiful nude shade. I actually want to get the shade Chai as well, but for now I only have this one, so I'm going to get this onto my lips. This is my makeup pretty much all complete. I am going to pop a little bit of the Tatcha Dewy Skin Mist on top of my face, and I'm just going to get the kind of top part of my skin where my highlighter is, just so that my skin looks nice and healthy and glowy and fresh. That is the end of the makeup, and then now I'm just going to go and get changed very quickly and show you my bag, my dress, my perfume, all of that jazz. So I've got my dress on. It's actually like a shirt dress thing from Zara, and I'm wearing some like cycling shorts and my heels. They are like sparkly heels, but I'm gonna get some hair ties. These are like some silky ones, and I'm gonna kind of create like a shorter sleeve with it, like this. Yeah, I feel like this is much better. And let me show you my bag. This is the bag that I'm wearing. This is actually a collaboration bag that I've designed with Amare, and it is amazing. I love it so much. You can actually go and see more of it on my Instagram, but it's made from cactus leather, it's vegan, it's cruelty-free, it's luxurious, it's amazing. And I kind of feel like I want to wear it as a bum bag. So there's a clip on here. This is cute. I'm going for like a smart casual look. I am going to pop a little bit of hair oil into my hair. This is the Fable and Mane hair oil. I love this so much. My hair is a little bit frizzy. I didn't get to dry it properly this morning, so we're just going to roll with it. And I'm going to add, kind of like scrunch this into like the top part of my hair. It will definitely calm down by tomorrow, but this is the vibe that we are going for right now. And for perfume, I'm going to wear this one. This is the Christian Louboutin Le Berouge. I feel like I completely butchered that, but I'm going to get this onto my usual kind of pulse point areas. And this is the end of my little get ready with me. Thank you guys so much for joining. Thank you so much for all your well wishes. I hope you guys are having an amazing start to August, and hopefully I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye!